Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how I set up my bullet journal for the month of March. So I decided to keep my cover page simple and just basically make it a giant calendar. So I'm just writing out the month and underneath that the days of the week. Now I'm just using my grey fineliner to draw a stripe right underneath the days of the week and then using my black fineliner to actually write in all the dates of the month. Next, I'm just gonna draw some triangles, which I will then turn into pyramids. You can just do that by connecting all three of the points inside of a triangle. Then I'm going to be filling in two sides of each pyramid with two different shades of grey, to give each of the triangle a bit more dimension. Lastly, I'm gonna finish the triangles by just tracing the lines with a black fineliner. And there we go, my cover page is finished. Now let's get on with my monthly page. First, I'm gonna add my title. Now, I drew a line down my page with a lighter gray than I used for my title, and then used my black fineliner to fill in the days of the month. Next, I used my gray fineliner next to that to fill in the actual days of the weeks. Now I'm using my black fineliner again to fill in my scheduled and unscheduled tasks. Underneath my unscheduled tasks, I'll fill in my goals and my next month header. And that's already it for my monthly. Simple and quick. On to the next page. This will be my header tracker. I'm going to be adding this type of header to most of my pages this month to keep my pages in my bullet journal a bit more consistent, I guess. Now for my header tracker, I'm once again starting out with my lighter gray and drawing two lines down my page. Then I'm using my black fineliner to fill in the days of the month again. Next, I'm going to write down the habits I want to track in the first tracker, divided by health, body, and a bit of random. Now for my second tracker, I'm actually going to use that one to track my sleep and water intake, and to do that I'm going to add an extra line on the other side with the numbers 0 to 8 to them, so I can actually track my hours of sleep and glasses of water. The next page is actually going to be a mind dump. I once again use my light gray color to divide it in three pieces: personal, random, and YouTube, and that's already it for my brain dump page. So my final page is actually going to be my expense tracker, which is a really simple page. I just divided it up into 5 columns, one for the date, one for the purchase, one for the category in which the purchase falls, like food or necessities, the cost of the purchase, and the total I spent that month. Now, I'm gonna show you real quick how I put everything I just made into my index, and that was it. These are all the pages I used to set up my monthly for March. I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Bye!